guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Randall. This is the McClures. We react, review, we make fun of, we laugh at stuff. Links down in the description if you want to support the channel. And if you don't want to support the channel, you just suck. Okay? It's fine. You can suck. It's fine. We'd prefer you don't, but you can. Follow me on social media, all that good stuff. We are doing viewer request day. So if you want to tap into one of the lives, we do viewer request day at least once a week, where we get into specifically what you guys want to watch, either on the spot, like this one is a reaction request from the chats, or we keep a list of all your guys' comments and anything that you recommend. We write that all down, and at least once a week we try to get to the list, which we need to do after this song, is get to the list and pull at least something off of there for today. But this one is called Hail to the Hordes by a band called Kreator or Kreator. And just from the name of the song and the title of the band, I'm thinking some like heavy metal. I think there might be some screaming. There might be some hair flipping. There's going to be some head banging. I think this is going to happen. The song is 4 minutes 21 seconds, so they obviously should have edited that down a second, just because. I mean, if you're that close, you might as well be on ball, right? This is from 5 years ago, though, so this is not a new song by these guys. And this is the first time they've been on the channel, first time they've ever even been recommended to the channel. So we know nothing about them. But we're about to find out. We're about to find out. Grugehael, Essen, Germany, the 4th of March, 2017. Let's go. All right, before the singer starts going in, one thing I would always shout out to We Are the Show for tipping $5. Let's go, motherfucker. We appreciate it, my guy. We appreciate it. But before he gets into the words, I have always respected and liked the instrumental to heavy metal. I personally have never been able to get behind the screaming. I just don't get it. I can't understand it most of the time. But as far as the instrumental goes, and the bands, and the drummers, and guitarists, and I mean, heavy metal goes hard instrumentally. I've never been able to get behind the actual, like, singing of it. Maybe this one's going to change my mind. Maybe this one's going to change my mind. A nation of liars? Let us be the voice they cannot express. I didn't hear what the second bar was. Let me go back. But I can actually understand this. liars.
Let us be the voice of what words cannot express. The failed, the outcast, the sagacious and wise will form above impeccable art, crafted free out of time. If night will fall, the shadows are taking our sides. We carry each other through the darkest moments in life. Stronger than hate, stronger than fear, stronger than law. We are one. Hail to the Hordes. We are one. Hail to the Hordes.
Now, what is a horde? Is that something that I don't comprehend because it's a German thing or another country thing or something? What is a horde? Or are they just like Satan worshiping right now? And I'm promoting Satan worship. What are we doing here?
Build me a nation. Let's make a stand. Live our lives to the full. Come, let's walk hand in hand. Let us remember what it once meant to be no Tata, no God, and no government. As night will fall, the shadows are taking our sides. We carry each other through the darkest moments in life. Stronger than hate, stronger than fear, stronger than all. We are one. Hail to the Hordes. We are one. Hail to the
Fuck yeah. See, like I said in the beginning, that's one thing you have to respect about heavy metal. The instrumentals are crazy. These guys go nuts, especially the guitarist. I personally tried to learn the guitar as a teenager. One of my mom's boyfriends played the guitar, but I got short, fat fingers and not ideal for guitar playing. But you have to respect the skill. It is a difficult craft. Oh, okay. So we are the Hordes. We are the Hordes. I think that's what, I think that's, okay. That makes sense then. Okay, that makes sense then. I know I'm supposed to be communicating what I'm thinking out loud, but my thoughts are just going and they're making sense. Amig's in the building. Dun, 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 dun. The song is dedicated to all Kreator fans worldwide. Okay, so the Hordes are groups of fans. So it's a shout out to his fans, letting him know that we all walk together. We all go to the darkest places together, but we're all bad motherfuckers and we'll be okay. All right, I'm with it. I'm with it. I like it. I like it. I could actually understand the bulk of it, which is rare for the screaming. So shout out to We Are the Show for the recommendation and the Dono for the recommendation. We appreciate that. And putting us onto a new band. Putting us onto a new band. I might even subscribe so I can hear some other weird shit. Because we're here for it. We're here for it. But if you're on the live, we're going to keep going. Shout out to Amik. Finally showed up. No, I'm just kidding, bro. We appreciate you. We're going to keep going on the live. If you're tuning in as a video, click the links down below. There might be a playlist over here, subscribe button, fucking somewhere. Click something, people. Send me $1. It won't hurt you. You got $1. I don't. So you should send it to me. Later, bye.